Hey everybody, welcome to Smoky Mountain Restoration. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your clutch pedal go from this to this. The reason that the clutch pedal has no pressure is because the slave cylinder went bad. As you can see, it's just rusted, completely falling apart. So I'm going to have to replace that. It also might not have pressure because it needs to be bled. There's air in the lines. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the slave cylinder, the lines that connect them, and the master cylinder, and then show you how to bleed them. Accidentally didn't hit record when I was trying to show how to change out the master cylinder, but you just have that one metal line right there you have to disconnect, and then inside you just have two bolts right there, and then you don't have to disconnect that push rod that goes into it, you just slide that into the new one. I got everything installed now, so there's the new slave cylinder. As you can see, it's leaking. I think it's because the bleeder nipple on the side wasn't very tight, so I just tightened that up. So I think that's where the leak was coming from. But now I got this tube on here, and I just have it going in to a thing of brake fluid, and now I'm going to open this up and then pump the clutch a few times, and then I'm going to try to bleed out the air in the system. To replace the clutch lines, all you have to do is undo that bolt there, and then you have these clamps. This clamp right here, you just grab it with clines or something and pull it out, and then you can replace the hose, and then once you put it in, you just have to push the clamp back down.